So today our day one for the advanced Excel, and day one the
O-
first topic is data selection. How can select our data? What is the technique of select the data? Okay,
Okay.
because if you want to do anything in the Excel, need to select your data. If you want to copy paste, yeah, anything job do in the Excel, need to select your data. So what the selection method, what is selection techniques today we'll discuss in this course, in this class. So this is the small data. I want to select this data. So we have just click here and select our data. Okay, just click here and
Okay.
hold the mouse and just drag here. My selection will be complete.
Okay.
But one problem, when you data in large quantity, that time have a problem. Just like this. Okay? This is
Okay.
the our data. I have tried to select this data. You can see a lot of time. So if you select
Yeah.
the data by a mouse, we have the problem. A small data is okay, but if you have the large data, you have the problem. Got the problem. So one
Okay.
method, you first click the starting of the data, hold your
Okay.
shift key, and click on last of your data, last cell of the data. I again repeat, click here, click the start of your data and go to the last
Okay.
of data. Before the clicking here, hold the shift key, keyword shift key. Your data will be, entire data will be selected. So in the large
Okay.
data, we have, go to the start of the data, click here, and this is a
Uh-huh.
scroll and go to the last of my data. Before clicking here, we have shift. We have pressed the shift, hold the shift keyword key, and click here. Entire data select in the one shot. Understand?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So what is the concept? So when you cursor here, and now we have click here, normal click here, my cursor will be moved here to here. Okay. But when you use the shift key and now click, so my selection will be moved here. So this is the method.
Mm-hmm.
Using this method, we have select our data easily. But some people use the one keyboard shortcut Control plus A. Control plus
Control plus
A.
E.
Select the entire data. But in this shortcut have a one problem. When your data have a blank row, so that time when you click your Control A, your selection before of your blank cell, blank row.
Mm.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Blank row.
But you want to extend it to the other side of the datas.
Yeah, if you have the blank row in the data, that time when you press Control A, so your data will be not select, entire data not select. So why? Because Control A not a shortcut of select all. Control A shortcut is the select current region. This. So Control A trigger this options. Select current region. So if you have blank, your data will be select before of your blank row or column. So question is that how can find in my data have a blank row? How can find in this my data have a blank row? Okay.
Uh-huh. Uh,
So simple method. Go to the start of the data and just press Control down arrow. Just press Control down arrow. My cursor will be stopped before of the my blank row. So if you have the large data, this type of the large data, so before the using control plus A shortcut, you first check your data have a blank row, yes and no. How can check? So first go to the start of your data using the control plus down arrow. Control plus down arrow. Your
I
cursor will be go to the if you cursor go to the last of your data, it means no blank. If had a blank, your data your cursor will be stopped before your blank row.
okay.
Understand?
Yes.
So I just suggest you before the copy and select your data or anything do with your data, first check your data कि data is correct. How can check? बस just press control and down arrow, right arrow,
Mm-hmm.
up arrow. Hold your control A. Control, sorry. Hold your control keyboard shortcut, control button, and up left. So down left up right. If your cursor will be reach before you when you start, it means no blank, right?
Okay.
Now if you have the blank row, that time how can select my data? So I have one method, simple, mouse clicking, select here, use the shift key and select here, select the last, click the last here, data will be select. Otherwise we can
Mhm.
also use the control shift right arrow, down arrow, down arrow, again down arrow.
Okay.
Okay, and otherwise we can also use the one shortcut control shift and button and button. Select the your used range, your used range.
Mm.
I have discussed the many shortcut with you today class, but problem is that this class also record. But after the class recording, how can you have memorized which shortcut for what options? So you can also extract your keyboard shortcut from your Excel application. Just press the F1 function 1 F1 the shortcut of Excel help.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm.
now open your Excel help. You can easily expand here, and now you can select here just shortcuts. Search here keyboard shortcuts. You got the result keyboard shortcut in Excel, and you got the every shortcut here, right?
Okay.
Every shortcut you can find here. In the future classes, I do not discuss any shortcut because I have also not remembered the shortcut. Because when we start the classes, we have dropped the using shortcuts. Okay, because if
Mm.
I any used any shortcut, you can't see my keyboards, but you can see my mouse pointer which option we have applied. So in the class,
Mm.
I never discuss for the shortcut, but if you want to use the shortcut, you can find it here, right?
Okay.
But some feature are not, some feature have not a shortcut. Yeah, if you have a shortcut, I don't memorize. Just like I want to apply border here, but border shortcut, direct shortcut not have. Yeah, I have not memorized. That time you can go to your menus via keyboard. How can? Just
Mm-hmm.
press your alternative key that called alt button. You can see in the menu bar every function will be highlighted with one code, one shortcuts. They character are shortcut. I want to go to the home menu, just press the H, so here H, our in the home menu all shortcut will be activated here. I want to apply border, so border it means B, we just press the B, so border will be activated. And now this is the A for all border, this is the all border, press the A. So now I have memorized. So alt H for home, B for border, A for all border. So you have apply any feature via your keyboard. Don't use the mouse button. If you want to don't use the mouse button, you can every work with the shortcut and also alternative key. Just like I want to apply here colors. So just press the alternative key in the menu bar, key activated. So my fill color here. So we just press the H. When you press the H, home, all home option will be highlighted. Now this is the H for color. Then again H, and we have select any key from your arrow button, and select your color.
Hapana.
So do you understand how can use your
Yes, I
shortcut and
understand.
alternative key? Any problem?
Y- Yes, I understand.
Okay. So shortcut you can remember. Now I want to select some particular sheet, not entire or continuous data. Some particular sheet, particular cells. So just hold your control key and click anywhere and you can select. And you have colored, delete, change, anything do, but can't copy. Okay, you cannot the copy of multiple cells. If you want to copy to multiple cell, to select sequentially, just like row 2, press the control and we have click here. Now we can copy here. And there is the interval between the cell copy cell, but when you have paste, no gap here. The paste continuous. Okay, so you have select the sequence, just like I have select the three three row 3 4 5. So next column also select 3 4 to 5, same column and same row, then you can copy. Okay, so you have
But,
select the
but
multiple cells using the cell control, holding the controls, and you want to copy, you need to select sequentially.
okay.
Okay, any
But
questions?
if I select randomly, I can't copy.
If you select the randomly, you can't the copy. If you can't the copy. Okay,
Okay.
it's clear.
Yeah. Clear.
Okay. Now we have discussed same thing in the sheet. I have multiple sheet here. I have multiple sheets here.
Okay.
I want to type the today date in the every sheet. Okay. I
Okay.
want to
Yeah.
type the current system date for every
On
sheet.
every sheet.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
How can do it?
I don't know.
So first, go to the sheet 1 and hold the shift key and go to the click on the last sheet. So between all sheet will be selected. You can also see the group here. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Now you have anything do in the sheet 1, every sheet will be copied, just like carbon copy. Just like live a date here, type the date. Now go to sheet 1, sheet 2 also, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5, sheet 6. Okay? How can do it?
So
Again,
how
again I repeat you. I again repeat you.
yeah, repeat. Yes,
Go to
repeat
the
how to select
first
the
sheet.
sheet.
Go to the first sheet. Hold the
Uh-huh.
shift key and go to the last. Click on the last sheet. In between all sheet
Okay.
will be selected. Highlighted. It means
Okay.
selected. Now you
Uh,
can anything, not a type. You have also applied the color. So do anything which options will be highlighted here, and they effect on all selected sheets, just like sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5, sheet 6. Okay,
okay, okay. Okay. I understand now.
understand? But I want to
Yes.
type the time, not the entire sheets. I want to some particular sheet. So that time we have hold the control button and go to the some particular sheet. We have select click on the some particular sheet. Now we have type here any time here, time. We have time, enter the time, sorry, enter the time here. Now you can see sheet 2 is not have time, but sheet 3 have a time because I have select the sheet 3. So
Okay.
if you want to select entire all sheet start from using the shift key, then your action will be work on every sheet. But you want to particular sheet to use the control buttons, hold the control button and click your required sheet, then you can do anything once and copy another sheets, automatic copy another sheets, no need to copy manual. Now understand?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, so one topic, the data selection will be complete here. And next topic is data dragging. Okay, so I want to
Okay.
enter the serial number in this column 1. So we have type 1 and now 2. We have select the both
Uh-huh.
and we have select the both and just drag down. You can got the serial number. Okay,
Oh.
but
Okay.
remember you have type 1. If you type only for one cell and drag down here, so only for number will come. One is the come.
So you have
So
to
you have
select
type
both
here
of them.
1 and 2, 1 and 2. So Excel check the difference between cell 1 and cell 2 and go to the corner, here corner of the cell. When you go to the corner of cell, your cursor will be changed the white to black. Now you can click and drag here. But I
Okay.
want to not secure continuous number. I want to 1, 3, 5 like this. The gapping. I have decided how many gap between two numbers. So we have write 1 and 3. Now we have select this. In this between have a two number gap. So when you drag down, so every number have a two number gap. Okay.
Okay.
Now I want to drag the date. Just like today is the 4th July. So we have type here 4th July. And when you
Mm.
drag here, automatically here 4th, 5th, 6th July here. So in the date, we have no need to enter the two date here. Only for enter the one date, and when you drag down, your date will be continuous drag. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
But I want to drag like month, just like I have the I have paid the EMI every 4th. So I want to enter the date month wise, just like 4th July, 4th August, 4th September. So
Okay.
that time we have right here July 2026. Okay, this month.
Mm.
Now we have drag.
Mm.
You can see here July, August, September, October, November, December, like this.
Okay.
Okay, and
Mm.
now just like we have right here user dash 1. So number is the last of your data. When you drag here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the continuous user 1, user 2, user 3, user 4. But remember, if you have
Mm.
type 1 dot user, then we have drag, so number is not increase. So it is remember your number will increase which number after the text, not a before the text. Okay,
Okay.
but
Uh,
I want to make some sequence. just like here, uh, quarter, month. Okay, so quarter 1 here, and month is Jan, Feb, sorry, Feb, March, and now this is the total. Okay, so I want to same sequence here. So now show here quarter 2 and quarter 2 month.
Mm.
Okay, so we have select this, and now just drag down. Okay,
Okay.
understand?
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes.
And we can also use my autopilot here, the AI of the Excel AI copilot, and we instruct my data will be appearing. Okay, anything to do with the
Okay.
copilot. So today in this class we have discussed the data selection. How can select my data? What is the shortcut? How can find the all shortcut from the Excel help? Okay. After that, we
Mm.
discussed the selection between Control and Alt. Alt short or alternative key, and we can use the Shift key and Control key. Then we have discussed the dragging method. How can drag the data? Is it clear?
Mm. Yes,
Any
I'm very
doubts?
clear.
So you have
I
followed
understand.
the, if you have followed the WRRI method for the learning. W, it means watch, attend the class, continue watch and understand the class. Then after this class, I have shared the video, class video and sample file if you required, and watch the video again and try to repeat. Okay, repeat my
Okay.
action. After
Yes.
that, you have researched something new. Just I have give the dragging system, so you know well. You have also repeat and practice that. Then you have start searching okay, something new, which feature we not cover in the class. Okay, if you understand cell, that is good. If you not understand and find the new thing, that you can. Hello, hello.
Hello, yes.
Oh, sorry,
Hello?
my modem is stripped. So restart. So interrupt. Sorry for interruption. Okay. So
Okay.
W it means watch. R मतलब research. Again R it means R means repeat and R research, and it means implement your work. Okay. Which feature you learn you have implemented in the office. So this is the our training method. So today day one. So we have a stop here.